Hello everyone. Um, I should probably move this first. Right. We are back with another unboxing yet again with a new product. It is for my upcoming summer camp. It is a USB ceiling fan with a light, which is something that's pretty rare. So we're gonna open this thing. And it came in this little itty bitty box. It's quite interesting. Wow. It's tiny. Oh, there's a remote. Alright, so let's dive into the manual. This is mengnessly? Meaningless? I don't even know. Before cleaning, please power off the current. Five volts DC. So take this tape off. It looks like it actually is designed like a conventional ceiling fan where the blade hub is in the middle. Interesting. This is weird. This is really confusing. So we got 6 blades. They're kind of thin and flimsy. I guess they just slide on in there. Well, here we have our control panel. We have the timer with random numbers that I don't know what they mean. 54, well, that's S4, it's speed number. And in Chinese, so we have light and fan. In a second, though, hold on. I'm gonna set up my contraption behind me to hang it. So let's get to fitting this together. It's kind of difficult now. It has a size of 16 something inches. I guess the light is, stationary. There's some random bits of sprue on it, which is weird. It's like strings of glue. These blades are kind of questionable in their thickness. They seem like they want to fall apart. Wow. This is really difficult. they are pretty flimsy. Like, flimsier than literally my other three. Well, my other two, I mean. This will be my third one. I guess it's a BLDC because I can feel the individual magnets attracting, however you want to call it. Let's get the remote out. Everything smells weird. Power on. Okay. I'm gonna undo this real quick. We have a pretty lengthy cord, so let's bring it on over to our hanging thing. It's just a music stand. Okay. Alright, it's plugged in. So let's turn this on, shall we? Make sure it won't that's what I'm afraid it's gonna do. Alright, just stay like that. Try the light. Ooh. So you do have to turn it off by yourself. We'll try the fan. Maybe. What? This seems quite odd. Why does it keep turning off? This is so weird. Maybe it doesn't have 4 speeds, I don't know. We'll try with a USB pack. Okay. So here's, I'm gonna turn my loud fan off. This is low. It's very quiet. I can literally only hear the motor. We're pushing. on average 5.5 miles an hour of air. On speed 2, we'll push you on average 6 miles an hour of air. On speed 3, six and a half, and on speed 4, about 7. So your range is not very great. Let's put into this thing. So the Samsung charger, fast charger, doesn't really change. It's really quiet too, like virtually no sound. It is the tiniest bit off balance. And the light setting also affects the speed, but I don't really care. And it stops like basically abruptly. So that is an honest review of this ceiling fan. Up Belljoy, and I'll see you guys in the next video.